Welcome to our Healthy Pie Superfood series. We will get to know this chia seeds and learn the benefits from it and how to use them. What are chia seeds? Chia is actually a member of the mint family and native to Mexico. Chia seeds are consumed like whole grains, but they're a pseudo-grain. That means they're the carbohydrate-rich seeds of a nongrass plant. When chia seeds encounter liquid, they expand and form a thick gel. Chia seeds were said to be a staple of Aztec and Mayan diets. Over the last century or so, they've enjoyed a minor following, but recently made a comeback on the market as a potential superfood. Here are 7 good reasons to start eating chia seeds. Help weight loss. Chia seeds are popular for weight loss. They reduce food cravings by preventing some of the food that you eat from getting absorbed into your system. This blockage of calorie absorption makes them a great diet helper. Feel fuller faster. They can also help your diet by making you feel full. This is because they absorb 10 times their weight in water, forming a bulky gel. Hydration for athletes. They are also great for athletes because the chia gel can hydrate the body. Reduce your blood pressure. There's evidence to suggest they can reduce blood pressure. Omega-3. They are the richest plant source of omega-3, the vital fats that protect against inflammation, such as arthritis and heart disease. In fact, they contain more omega-3 than salmon. Benefits for diabetes. Because chia seeds slow down how fast our bodies convert carbohydrates into simple sugars, studies indicate they can control blood sugar. This leads scientists to believe chia seeds may have great benefits for diabetics. They are easier to digest than flax seeds, and don't need to be ground up. Here are some ways to use chia seeds. Chia seeds have almost no taste, so they blend well with many recipes. They may be combined with any liquid, such as juice or water. Make sure chia seeds have fully expanded before consuming them. Do not eat chia seeds dry, especially if you have difficulty swallowing. Try adding chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, salads, salad dressing, yogurt, soups or gravy, muffins, homemade bread. Baked goods in place of eggs, chia pudding. When using chia seeds, remember the more seeds you use and the longer they sit, the thicker the final product. How many chia seeds should you eat? We recommend 2 daily doses of about 20 grams each, 1.5 ounces total. Note, chia seeds may interact with blood pressure medications or blood thinners such as warfarin. If you take any of these drugs, don't eat chia seeds. Please subscribe to our channel for more info on superfoods and other healthy tips.